Welcome to Motivational Minute here on the Writers Atelier channel, where I, Racquel Henry, the founder of Writers Atelier, I'm going to give you all a pep talk in a 60-second video. One of the things I've noticed writers doing is waiting for permission. Permission to call themselves writers, permission to start writing the book, permission to pick a publishing path, permission even on how the book is being written. I want to tell you guys it doesn't matter. None of those things matter. The only thing that matters is you. This is your writing career and your writing path. It's your journey. You get to decide. The only person who needs to sign that permission slip is you. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more inspiration and motivation. And don't forget to check out our Patreon page if you enjoy our free content. And perhaps you'll see me around here another time. Maybe.